Hi everybody, welcome back to the HyperX Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to put the battery in your HyperX Pulsefire Fuse wireless mouse. So as you can see, this is the brand new mouse with the stickers on it, and now to put the battery we have to at first pull where the sticker is to the up. As you can see here, we have put our nail here between this cap and our mouse here, and we have to pull it upward. Here, as you can see, we do have some tape and USB type A dongle, but don't mind that. Here, as you can see, we do have the battery slot. We don't have to remove this tape actually. Here, as you can see, it's standing. So at first we have to take the battery and find the pictogram of the battery. As you can see here, they have plus and minus. Here do have plus and here they have minus. Now let's start with the minus and put it like that. Push it here and place the battery in the slot. Now we can take this cap and place it because it's magnetically placed. And that's how you place the battery. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.